Good morning, students. Welcome to the ninth standard. Hi, I am Anil Parisar. Today we are going to learn our first poem, Life, which is written by Charlotte Bronte. So let's begin. Life, believe, is not a dream. जीवन विश्वास एक सपना नहीं है. सो डार्क एज सेजेस सेज, और संत जिसे बुरा कहते हैं उतना बुरा भी नहीं है. आफ्टर लिटिल मॉर्निंग रेन, अक्सर थोड़ी सुबह की बारिश, फोरटेल्स अ प्लीजेंट डे, एक सुखद दिन का संकेत देती है. इन द फोर लाइन्स शी सेज, लाइफ इज नॉट अ ड्रीम and life is not as bad as we think. Here, morning rain is token of small difficulties which occurs in our life. They are hint of happy days. Friends, poem starts with optimistic tone. See in another lines. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. कभी कभी उदासी के बादल होते हैं. But these are transient all. Transient, temporary. But these are transient all. लेकिन ये सब क्षणिक है. If the shower will make the roses bloom, यदि बौछार गुलाब को खिलाएगी, oh why lament its fall, तो इसके गिरने पे विलाप क्यों, शोक क्यों? She asked the question. She said that the sorrowful events comes in our life, but they are all temporary. Now we are facing very first days of COVID-19, but it is also temporary. It is not permanent. So we have to keep patience. This time also pass away. If the shower will make the roses bloom, she says, problems gives us strength. Here, shower indicates the difficulties, hard days. But she says that this shower helps to roses to bloom like that. The problems gives us the strength. They help us to develop ourselves. So don't mourn on them. So don't regret on them. See, she said, rapidly, merrily, तेजी से, खुशी से, लाइव सनी हावर्स फ्लिट बाय, जीवन के उजाले उड़ जाते हैं. ग्रेटफुल चेरीली, enjoy them as they fly. ग्रेटफुल चेरीली, enjoy them as they fly. कृतज्ञता से, खुशी से उनकी उड़ान का आनंद ले. She wants to say we should thankful to God. He gives us joyful days which pass away very soon happily. So we must enjoy them before they fly. You know, life is just like an ice cream. Enjoy it before it melt. She gives us very good message. Now see, what though death at times steps in? क्या हुआ जो मौत कई बार करीब होती है. एंड कॉल्स अवर बेस्ट अवे, और हमारे सबसे करीबी लोगों को दूर कर देती है. वॉट दो सॉरो सीम्स टू विन, क्या हुआ जो दुख कई बार जीतता नजर आता है. ओवर होप अ हेवी स्वे कंट्रोलिंग इन्फ्लुएंस. What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway. क्या हुआ जो दुख कई बार जीतता नजर आता है, पर क्या एक आशा इन पे भारी नहीं पड़ सकती. Here she said, life is an biological accident and death is eternal truth. We have to accept it. Many times sorrow is unbearable. we feel it wins, but one ray of hope overcome on all the problems. So keep hope inside your mind, and one day definitely you can conquer all the difficulties. Yet hope again, elastic spring. आशा लोचदार और एक बसंत के मौसम की तरह है, अनकॉन्कर्ड दो शी फेल, हालांकि वह गिर के भी अपराजित है। स्टिल बॉयोएंट आर हर गोल्डन विंग्स, फिर भी ऊपर की ओर उठ रहे उसके सुनहरे पंख है। स्टिल स्ट्रॉन्ग टू बियर अस वेल, अभी भी सहन करने के लिए मजबूत है। What she say? She says, hope is like elastic spring. Though it falls down on the ground, yet it can rise up. It is so strong. So keep hope, don't give up. Just keep hope inside. It is just like a elastic spring. In the last four lines, she says, manfully, fearlessly. Manfully, fearlessly, साहसी, needed the days of trial bear और फैसले के दिन, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quill despair. शानदार तरीके से, विजयी रूप से क्या साहस में निराशा हो सकती है? Manfully, fearlessly, the days of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quill despair. Quill means end. Despair is nirasha. So, what she say in the last lines? She says, these days also pass away. So we have to fight strongly, fearlessly for our great glory and victory. And at last, she asks question, can our courage end our sorrow? Yes or no? Of course, yes, our courage win, and we can defeat all the problems just like a COVID-19. And once again, we can take a free breath in free air. Once again, all the students runs towards our schools and colleges. Once again, we can enjoy every and each sides of this beautiful world. Once again, we can meet our friends. Once again, we celebrate the festivals with our near and dearest ones. And so we have to keep a faith, hope inside our mind, and one day we can conquer all the problems in our life. Life gives us the both things, sorrow also and hope also. Now it's your turn that which you just keep in your mind, fear or hope. Friends, life is not a bed of roses, but life is a mixture of tears and smiles. Thank you very much. Through this message, I just finished my poem. I hope so. You like this poem? You enjoyed it? Thank you very much. If you like this poem, please share with your friends. And if you have any queries, please give me suggestion. Thank you very much.